इस खबर के पेश करता है अरेबियन जूसेस एंड सलाड्स।
Hello everybody. I am Dr. L. Fahmida Banu, gynecologist at Fahmicare Hospital, Yusuf Guda, Hyderabad. It is a great opportunity to recollect on Women's Day Clara Zetkin, who has brought the attention of the whole world on the equality of the women. Today, after 110 years, still we recollect her efforts and we celebrate the women's achievement in various fields, whether it is economical, cultural, social or political. In every field, women are really working hard to get the greatest achievements. This year, the theme is Choose to Challenge. Yes, through the challenge comes the change. We should have the immense desire to accept a change, to face the challenge and to come as an achievers. Yes, the inherent desire to accept the change should come within. Then her talent need to be nurtured by her family, by the society. Because women has a great responsibility and they are as many parts of the life as possible like men they are working. In addition, they have a great responsibility as a mother. Whatever may be our achievements, our responsibility towards the children, we always remember. The talent needs nurturing. It is the responsibility of the society and everybody to care their women and give them the whatever the environment they need to grow and achieve the excellence. Being a gynecologist, I would like to bring the attention towards the gynec health of the women. The general health, as all of you know, depends on the good balanced diet, regular exercise. In addition, the woman has to take care of themselves, the gynec point of view. At least an yearly pap smear, an ultrasound and a gynecologist consultation, self-examination of the breast. All these will detect the dreaded complications at least quite significant earlier. So I wish all my young friends take care of your mother. At least take her once in a year for screening of cancers, gynecological point of view. And I wish everybody will do this without fail. Thank you. See, remember, the hand which rocks the cradle can rule the world also. So, women are inherently multitasking. They have the talent, they have the power. Given the opportunity, they can excel in any field.
हमारे HN न्यूज़ को सब्सक्राइब करिए ताकि आपको नोटिफिकेशंस आते रहे वक्त पर।